Dun 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 dun. Oh my God, we're running for our lives!
I don't know, but I could talk to her.
Running!
And I could ask her.
He's being retarded! And a phone whore!
Come on, guys, let's go!
Run!
I can't run. I'm barefooted, you guys. Sorry. There's a man who can't run.
Go, 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 go! Okay, we
She's
left
a
Bree.
phone whore. Isn't she? But yeah. Oh my God, she took the stage.
She's right there.
I know she is. Phone whore!
She put it on her pants.
And she stole
Let's
the
get her,
phone.
come on. Hide behind a tree or something.
She'll find us. It's not that hard to notice where we are. Oh no!
Here she comes.
Kaylee got her phone taken away by her dad.
Oh, yes, I mentioned that. She broke the log. You broke the log. Oh, whoa.
That's just too funny.
Hey, Bree, did you know you broke the...
She didn't break it, she just like demolished it. There's a difference. It's like not just a little tiny crack, it's like a splatter.
Once again, that's awkward.
Yep. Yeah, and the rest of our friends are like the most entertaining people you will know.
Like Bree.
Who's still on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she's on the phone.
Yeah, I get where you're coming from.
You should call her.
Huh?
You should call her.
Does it look like I have my phone on me?
No, the people. Her number is
Like,
544.
oh my God, I am on the phone and I
1960.
Bree. Who's not getting off the phone?
The area code is 213.
Okay, just one more. Hey, Kaylee, do you remember what Chris did his senior project on?
Who?
Chris,
DJing.
you did it on DJing.
Is that Chris? Cough
Yeah.
it up, cough it up.
And she wants me to hang you at her my phone. Talk to you.